Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for clicking on that view button, and for those who are not new, thank you so much for coming back. I'm not going to have a lot of chit chat in this because this video I was just feeling myself. I was just wearing the makeup and enjoying myself. So yeah, I'm actually starting off with my crease, which is not like I usually do, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Snap Palettes number 3, and in my crease I am going in with Shots Fired, which is the darker mauve color, and Fire Freak, and I'm just blending in the colors. So now I'm going in with Heaven Sent, and that's it basically for my lid. I mean, this was such a very easy look, but you're gonna see how everything comes together and make it a little not so simple. Right now we're just looking like a basic look, but at the end of it you see how everything came together. Today I just wanted to have some fun. I just wanted to play around. I was really trying to get into my TikTok kind of mood. So I just wanted to make sure that my face was done. And I mean, when I finished here, I was feeling myself. So here I am smoothing my crease. I'm blending in the shade with, wow, that was really fast. Anyway, I was blending in the shade with the same orange to make the transition a bit smoother. So now I'm using my foundation, and for foundation today I use my Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I am doing my under eye, and you all know what I usually do. I mean, this look I didn't do anything that was out of the ordinary, but I was just really having a lot of fun listening to Alexa. We were vibes-ing. I can't even remember what I was listening to, but I was vibes-in and just enjoying the moment and having fun. For my setting powder today, I use my Sacha Buttercup, which I don't always use, but I'm trying to finish it out. So I use that. And for my my contour, I use the brown shade from my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I mean, that shade, I watched a video. I can't remember who I was watching on YouTube, and they were saying that that brown shade was the perfect contour for everybody, and I mean, they didn't lie. It is perfect. It has you looking snatched. I mean, I love how it always comes together and brings back in the color to my face using that brown. If I have to buy back the Zulu palette for that brown shade alone to use as contour, I'ma do it. Right now I'm going in with my Note blush. I mean, ain't nothing new. That's my favorite blush, my perfect blush. You guys know this, so I always thought I would not like it, but I love it, and I'm using for highlight Fenty Beauty in Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. Now, I mean, this is what makes it look pop. I'm using my Ruby Kisses pencil, and this pencil is in the shade Teal Blue. I mean, this pencil always makes everything pop. Now I'm going in my Natasha Denona. I am using the color Dark Sepia, which is a kind of army green, kind of mossy green shade, but I just love how it brings this look together. And to intensify it in the inner tear duct, I am using the green in that palette, which is Lodge. Lodge. I mean, look how the eyes look. Look how the eyes look. For my lips, now I'm going in with my Rock Pro, and this is in the shade, I don't know what shade this is. I think it's in the shade Black Currant. And in the inner corner of my lip, I use Mini Lip Velvet. And this is me just feeling myself. I mean, I just love how this look came out. I mean, look at it. I really love how everything came together, and I had a lot of fun doing it, Hopefully I'll get some time to do more videos, and that's it. Love you guys. Bye.